Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is TurnOnSport Orienteering Compass. This manual magnet compass consists of acrylic baseplate with azimuth bearing and 360-degree rotating bezel. With the help of a magnetic needle which consists of a liquid-filled capsule helps to swing fast and freely point you towards north. The magnifying glass is used for reading and navigating geological maps. Along with this, it has the compass ruler scale of 1 to 24,000 for precise route mapping. Boy Scout compass is small in size and an essential piece of survival gear to have in your pocket or hiking backpack. Both children and adults can use it, easy to carry during your trips, especially for field trips. Portable handheld compass with magnetic needle and directional arrow, orienting lines compass and lanyard. Orienteering compass is constructed for accurate directions and making it an ideal all-around land navigation kit for hikers, campers, Girl and Boy Scouts and survivalists. On every outdoor journey, a vital and high-quality compass keeps you feeling secure and can read topographic maps. Ideal for use with a kayak, camping trip, climbing expedition, or seeing animals outside. During any emergency situation where you feel stuck or forget the way, this device can turn out to be a savior to make you out of depth. Our second best compass is SUUNTO Clipper Compass. This super compact compass easily attaches to your sleeve, watch strap, backpack strap, or map edge so you can free up your hands. It's also great for underwater navigation. This liquid-filled jewel-bearing compass has luminescent markings so it's operable in low light. The direction is on a rotating bezel in 10-degree increments. Made in Finland, SUUNTO mechanical compasses help you safely and accurately navigate the great outdoors. Great for alpine skiing, hiking, trekking, mountain biking, trail running and more. Combining advanced engineering and thoughtful design with ultra-durable materials, our adventure-ready compasses are fast, stable, and simple to use, no batteries required. SUUNTO compasses are precision-engineered with high-grade materials for maximum durability and precision. When venturing out into new territory, SUUNTO compasses offer precision navigation, making them essential companions in even the toughest conditions. SUUNTO offers a wide range of compasses for the beginner to the more professional user with specific needs. Third in our list is Atomic Bear Paracord Bracelet. This bracelet is more than just a compass and has a stylish, rugged appearance. It also functions as a ferro rod and striker, an emergency whistle, and is made of 12 feet of military-grade paracord. The Atomic Bear Cobra bracelet is ideal for outdoor adventures. Take it along when you're hiking, camping, hunting or fishing. The 6 built-in tools will ensure you're always prepared. Paracord, compass, ferro rod and striker, paracord, and an emergency whistle. Be ready to survive without stuffing your backpack. Find the 5 camping gear must-haves in just one bracelet: fire starter, reliable compass, loud emergency whistle, ferro rod striker and 12 feet of military-grade paracord. Unlike other options, the Cobra bracelet is adjustable to fit small and big wrists. Bracelet adjusts from 8 to 10.5 inch. Perfect as hiking accessories for men, women and kids. Add this survival bracelet tool to your hiking essentials, hunting gear, camping stuff or fishing equipment. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our best compass list is SUUNTO MC2 Compass. This advanced navigational compass made with serious hikers in mind, this professional mirror compass was designed for precise directional measurement and has been balanced for global use with metric UTM scales and inch ruler. Operable in low light conditions, the MC2 compass includes a sighting hole and notch for accurate bearings, declination adjustment tool, and a clinometer. Made in Finland, SUUNTO mechanical compasses help you safely and accurately navigate the great outdoors, great for alpine skiing, hiking, trekking, mountain biking, trail running and more. Combining advanced engineering and thoughtful design with ultra-durable materials, our adventure-ready compasses are fast, stable, and simple to use. Our last pick is Sportneer Military Lensatic Sighting Compass. This professional-grade military compass will always lead you in the right direction. Ideal for camping, military usage, emergencies, and anywhere the beaten track takes you. The Lensatic function increases the reading's accuracy with a lens on the rear sight that magnifies the card dial. So you'll always get an accurate reading. Tough and tenacious, the military construction with waterproof and shakeproof properties is built to survive the harshest of hikes. Keep the compass near you with a belt loop attachment, or place it safely in your pocket with a carrying case, so you can keep your hands gripped on the mountain you're scaling. The compass interface glows in the dark, so even when night falls, you can still soldier on. Whether you are trekking through those rugged plains, or trying to find that lookout point with a gorgeous view, it's always nice to have a fellow adventure buddy who always knows where they are going. And here at Sportneer, we want to be that companion. It navigates, orientates positions, measures slopes, angles and scales and locates direction, like the friend who always adopts the backseat driver role, just without the pompous nagging. For details, let's watch more.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!